Now, health related fitness is something that is very important if you want to be physically fit. Physically fit, as you know, that it is more than being able to run a long distance or lift a lot of weight at the gym. Okay, so physical fitness is much broader term. It means that you have to be mentally, physically, socially and emotionally fit. So there are a number of factors that can increase your physical fitness, and for that it is important that you should pay attention to your health. So what are the essential things that can make you fit is what we are going to see as the components of health related fitness. Now first one is the cardiorespiratory system. Now, cardiorespiratory endurance or cardiorespiratory system, it is the ability of the body, circulatory and the respiratory system to supply sufficient energy at the time of physical activity. It requires that you should have a strong heart, healthy lungs and a clear blood vessels so that the supply of oxygen is proper to your muscles at the time of any activity. So to improve your cardiorespiratory endurance, try activities that keep your heart rate at a very high speed and at the same time at the safe level also. It is not that you are continuously doing the activity in such a manner that your heart starts aching and you lead up into some diseases. That should not be taking place. For this, the best activities like swimming, cycling, walking, jogging, all these can be practiced. Now, endurance as a term indicates that endurance means that you should continuously do that activity even though your body wants rest initially. Okay, it doesn't mean that you are continuing even if the body is totally exhausted and you fall down fainted. That is not the situation. You should improve your endurance by continuously practicing. That is an activity you can do it for 30 minutes one day and the next day you can change it to 40 minutes. In that manner you can gradually increase the activities. Start slowly with an activity you enjoy and gradually work up to a more intense pace. Now next is muscular strength. Muscular strength is actually the ability of the muscles to exert the force when you are doing any activity. The key to making your muscles stronger is that you have to work continuously against the resistance. That means that even if the muscles are paining, small pains if you can bear, continue the activity which will increase your muscular strength. The best activity at your age which you can do is that you can do the cycling, you can do running, you can take up the stairs instead of using the lifts, etc. Now muscular endurance, I think by the name itself you might have understood that it is the strength of the muscles or the ability of the muscles to resist the fatigue. Fatigue means the tiredness which is going to come in your muscles. If you are able to resist that fatigue, then your muscle power is going to increase. Now body composition actually refers to the relative amount of muscles, fats, bones and other vital parts of your body. People who have a high percentage of fat are more likely to be ill when compared to the people who are lean. That is the people who are slim. Exercise and eating the right food in proper amount can improve your body composition, and it is very essential at this age that you should pay attention to both the exercise and your diet. A person's total body weight may not change over time, but body composition changes. That is how much the weight. Suppose at this age if you are eating more amount of fat, maybe considerable difference is not being shown in your body weight, but the composition is going to change, which will later on be deposit as a fat inside your body and your body will change into obese. Once the body starts being obese, you get the disease of obesity, which can lead to a number of other diseases. So it is very important that you should concentrate on how much of the body fat is required for maintaining the body weight and how much of the lean mass. Lean mass means how much of muscles, bones, tendons, etc. are required at this particular age so that you can perform an activity or any sports properly. Body composition is therefore important to consider for health and for managing your weight also. Now the last point is the flexibility. Flexibility, it shows a range of movement around your joint. Flexibility is the ability to use your joints fully. You are flexible when the muscles are long enough and the joints are free enough to allow movements. Now, naturally, the more you are practicing, the more flexible your muscles will become, the more flexible your joints will become. And naturally, your performance is going to increase, endurance is going to increase, and the fatigue is going to decrease. So if you want to improve your flexibility, try activities that lengthen the muscles such as swimming or basic stretching exercises. Now children, in the next class we will study about the components of wellness. Thank you.